Why does someone have to sit at the front of the wind turbine blade during transportation? The reason is simple. A single wind turbine blade is about 70 meters long, weighs 20 tons, and is worth millions of dollars. If there's any collision during transport, the entire blade will be rendered useless. Once the blade is loaded onto the truck, the driver can't see the very front of the blade from the cabin. On regular roads, the risk is manageable. But when encountering height restrictions, bridge underpasses, or low-hanging power lines, the risk intensifies. That's when someone has to sit at the very front of the blade to directly assess whether the height is safe. The real challenge comes when driving through mountainous areas. Facing steep inclines, sharp curves, and winding mountain roads, a regular truck can hardly handle the task. Custom transport trailers are needed, which continuously lift, rotate, and adjust the blade's angle to navigate narrow roads and tight corners. And this is just the basics. The real preparation begins long before departure. If the roads aren't wide enough, they're expanded. If the bridges are too unstable, they're reinforced or replaced. And if the route is impassable, new roads are built. Even with all these preparations, the mountainous section remains the most dangerous. It requires multiple vehicles working in coordination, constant guidance, and continuous adjustments. One mistake could undo all the hard work. Because the transport process is so difficult, the subsequent installation and even the removal of blades, when their life cycle ends, become even more complex. This is one of the toughest jobs in the transport industry.